Hi everyone, my name's Jason Roberts and welcome to my course Creating Automated Browser Tests with Selenium in C#. I'm a freelance developer and author. No one likes to receive a phone call at 2 AM in the morning because of a production outage, especially when the problem could have been found during development. Automated browser tests help you achieve a greater level of confidence in your web app and can help prevent bugs from finding their way into production. Some of the major topics that we'll cover in this course include how to set up your automated browser test project, how to find HTML elements on the page, how to click elements and fill out forms, how to test form validation, and how to create maintainable browser automation code. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create automated web browser tests to help validate your app is working as expected. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of C# programming. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn web testing with the Creating Automated Browser Tests with Selenium in C# course at Pluralsight.